Now we are going to help Tina to know that there is a second way on how he can calculate his expected return on stock. Okay, it is called CAPM. Okay, basically, let me give you the definition first. It is a CAPM is about securities, finding securities or stocks required rate of return, and in order to find that, it relates to systematic risk that is measured by beta. Okay, so earlier, okay, just now, the first style just now, we said that Tina could calculate his expected return based on the risk, but it is not quite right here because this risk is a firm specific risk. Okay, and remember, because Tina has market portfolio, so the risk associated to market portfolio is market risk. So when we talk about market risk, we are talking about systematic risk. Now, okay, so that's why now it is no more variance, but it is so now it is no more variance, rather it is beta. Okay, now in order to calculate return using this model, okay, there are several assumptions. Okay, first, it means we have market assumptions and we have investor assumptions. All right, for market assumption, we assume that first one, investors will just agree with whatever price given. There is no scandal, there is no hot stories behind the price. Okay. Number two, therefore, there is no insider information whatsoever that can distort investors' decision when investing. All information are relevant to security analysis, uh, free and publicly available. Third one, all securities are publicly owned and traded. There is no tax, there is no transaction cost, and the lending and borrowing at the same time on risk-free rate are uh, unlimited. Okay. On investors' assumption, okay, investors plan for the same single period horizon. It means here investors, when they have portfolio, these stocks in the portfolio are pulled together to be invested at the same time, selling and buying at the same time. All right. It is not like, okay, stock A you buy in January, stock B you buy in February, stock C you are going to sell in you're going to buy in March. No, we assume that all stock A, B, C is being bought at the same time. Okay. Investor assumption number two, investors are efficient users of analytical method. It means that investors are like you, they know investment analysis. Okay. Investors are rational and mean variance optimizers means that investors are rational. They have some degree of a risk aversion level and very cautious about their risk. All right. The assumptions continue. Okay. All investors choose to hold market portfolio. Here, all investors choose to hold all stocks there are in market. And with that, we assume the portfolio that they hold is the optimum one that is on efficient frontier. We also assume the risk premium on that portfolio is suitable or is proportionate to not only market risk but investors' aversion or investors' bravery level is suitable. Okay. While for risk premium on individual asset is now, we assume that it is suitable to market risk, market risk premium, sorry, and suitable to market risk. Here, since your market portfolio is assumed to be the optimal risky portfolio, therefore, graphically, the point is at M here, where you have learned in a previous chapter, okay, it is the intersection of capital market line and efficient front here. Now, as investors, we can follow our style whether to use passive strategy or active strategy. So it depends on us. If passive strategy, it means we are a bit relaxed and let the portfolio be managed once in a while. So if all investors desire the same style, same passive strategy, we can say, we can assume everybody will have the same kind of portfolio. So this kind of idea is called mutual fund theorem. All right. However, we are not the same, isn't it? Not all investors are same because our bravery level is different. Our risk aversion level is different. And that's why some wants to have more control in their portfolio and use active strategy. Maybe like Tina just now. Okay, Tina do not just want to let market to manage his portfolio. His risk aversion might be higher and he wants to control the management of his portfolio. So when this kind of strategies, when people like Tina enters the market, so you can imagine it brings volatility to market because Tina kind of investor, okay, active strategy person, he will always buy sell regularly. So it causes the market to volatile. Therefore, market will not actually be efficient and therefore market needs us to calculate the suitable expected return.